They were here before us and live here beside us. Flying, swimming, roaming, surviving. Every species, from the smallest insect to the largest blue whale, has a role to play in the delicate balance of life. Today, that balance is in jeopardy, and that's where you come in. Developers, engineers, and creators, hear this call. This is the Edge AI Challenge, a global competition to design real-world solutions that protect our planet. From incredible AI-powered cameras to low-powered environmental sensors to drones scanning the land, sea, and air, you'll use edge intelligence to listen, learn, and respond, all in real time. By combining state-of-the-art edge computing with environmental sensor data like sound, motion, climate, and soil analysis, we can improve our understanding of how ecosystems thrive, how they can be protected, and even restored. With neuromorphic vision chips, microcontrollers, and real-time inference, your tools are as cutting-edge as your mission is important. Your solutions as varied as these ecosystems themselves. Track endangered species. Monitor forest health. Watch coral reefs breathe. Your ideas have the power to transform conservation from reactive to proactive. This is not a challenge to take alone. Join over 2 million makers on Hackster, a worldwide community of collaborators, mentors, and technologists. Get exclusive access to help, tools, tutorials, and expert guidance every step of the way. Are you ready to take intelligence to the edge? Apply now. Build something that matters. Become a guardian of the Earth.